morning. There will be no fashion club practice today. DPS will hold 2 district review sessions for AP students taking the exams in May. The sessions will be Saturday, April 5th and Saturday, April 26th at DSA. You must register online by March 27th to attend. Any AP teacher or Miss Gus can give you the link. Mr. Spencer will hold review sessions for AP Lit exam on Tuesday, April in H12, starting at 2:30. Ms. Devner will hold review sessions for AP English 3 on Mondays in H2. Ms. Benson will hold review sessions for AP U.S. History on Thursdays. AP Human Geography and AP Psychology review sessions will be held on Thursday. See Ms. Whitworth for times. This is a reminder that the National Honor Societies are due April 28th on Friday to Ms. Benson or Mr. Spencer. Attention juniors and seniors, prom tickets will be sold through March 31st. You can purchase your tickets in S4 before or after school. Attention ladies, Apex United Methodist Church invites you to Prom Shop 2014, where they'll have over 1,000 dresses, shoes, jewelry, and other accessories to choose from for you to look your best on this special evening. This year's Prom Shop will be Friday, March 28th from 2:30 to 8 p.m. in the CLC on the Apex campus. See your school counselor for more information. There will be a brief mandatory meeting for all students going to Washington, D.C. on Monday, March 31st after school in N12. See Ms. Benson or Ms. Williams for details. Help Northern feed those without a home. Please bring in canned foods to Ms. Benson's room in 12 by March 31st. See Pierce if you have any questions. Seniors' cap and gowns and other graduation products will be delivered in the front lobby during lunch on April 2nd. Items must be paid in full before you can receive your products. Online payment must be made 48 hours prior. Only cash and money order will be acceptable on delivery date. Please place your order at www.trianglegrad.com if you haven't already. If you're looking for an inexpensive Easter, Mother's Day, or graduation gifts, the Fashion Club will be selling Yankee candles until April 4th. Orders can be placed online with the group number 990063315 or given to a Fashion Club member or Miss Jeffrey. We will have the Spring ASVAB at Northern on Thursday, April 10th. This test is required for the entrance into the military and also provides valuable information about your strengths and aptitude. If you'd like to take it, please see Miss Allen in room V12 to sign up. Students interested in spring break college tours, please see Ms. Omar. The fee is only for lunch.